Hi, and welcome to 208 Sherburne Ave here in Tyngsborough. This beautiful custom-built cape is over 2,600 square feet, sits on 2 acres of land, beautiful pictorial lot that overlooks the Vesper Country Club. This house has been, another key thing about that 2,600, or actually it's 2,700, is 1,700 of which is just all on the first floor, so it's very, very spacious. Another thing about this house, I said this is one of these favorites, kind of a grandmother house, grandparent house. It was built by the current owners. They meticulously maintained it, updated it, and just lovingly cared for it all these years. So enjoy the tour and bring your design ideas to make it your own. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the tour. My name's Mary Beth Wilson. I'm with J. Wilson Sells Homes. If you'd like any more information, please reach out at 978-590-1425. Thanks.